Motivated me in trying out gaming. Actually, it's just really my passion on playing online games ever since way back before year 2000. Yeah. And I always like playing online games ever since. Even, I mean, I was still high school during that time. And nung kasagsagan pa lang ng PC era, golden age of PC era, I really almost all the games, online games, I have played it all. Name it, I probably played it before. Starting from Ragnarok, from Dota 1, and of course the League of Legends PC version before.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining. Spike planted.
They have no right to do this.
Me connecting to my community, it's because it's a one of my ways on how I appreciate them. I want to thank them on following me. You know, there are a lot of streamers nowadays, but still they choose to follow me and always keep me updates. And even though we got busy sometimes because I'm a late night streamer, because I'm also busy during weekdays from my work, and most of the times I only wake up during night time, and most of the times most of my followers are already asleep, but most of them, I mean some of them, are still trying to watch my stream. It's because of them, you know. If it wasn't for my more than 2,000 followers, I won't be here. You won't be knowing me as Lady Yuna right now. So part of them is one of the reasons why I do love streaming. They motivates me, even though sometimes I really want to stop. Because of them, if they are asking me, they're calling me idol, why aren't you streaming? You know, they are still idolizing me, even if I became inactive in streaming lately because of I became busy from my work. They still look up to me and calling me as their idol, and it really feels I really do feel warm, you know, heartfelt. I really do appreciate them.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
One here. Enemy.
That ultimate is
Okay, nice.
valiant effort.
Video streaming or gaming streaming, any live stream is a part of the entertainment. What we call Gen Z generation. I'm not a part of Gen Z anymore because I was born in the 90s. I'm part of 90s kids, and during my era, it's very different compared now, wherein most of the children's below my age are really techy, and as an adult, most of us really needs to go with the flow, or else papag-iiwanan kasi tayo. So, kailangan nating sumubay sa kanila. Dati kasi noon, I prefer watching TV, but right now, yung kasi talagang uso ngayon, it's not that nakikisabay sa uso, but before pandemic pa kasi, ever since I have known Ma'am Aloja, Gosheng Pao, you know, Boss A, she really inspires me. Hindi pa pandemic nun, pero sikat na siya with all her contributions in the gaming industry. At the same time, I do idolize her on doing her cosplays. If I only have the budget, if I only will be given a chance, I will grab the opportunity. Pero yun nga, yun, part of the industry na talaga in the entertainment, ang pagla-live stream. any types of live stream, kung selling man yan, vlog, or gaming stream, whichever you prefer to do on your live streams.
One enemy remaining.
Even death can
Right.
Attackers win.
Video game stream is really a sweet escape for me and for my community. Why? Because after, all of us, I know, in average people, just like me, we are not rich, most of the times we do struggle, we need to work, there are times that we really need to become resilient. I'm not gonna mention the times that I really want to give up because on my personal problems, something like that, or bad happens in my family, personal issues, something like that. Gaming industry, while I'm streaming, or while I'm playing my online games, nakakalimutan ko. I really tend to forget the outside world, Once I play my game, I'm in my own world. This is Lady Yuna. I feel better. I feel good. It's my one way of unwinding also from stress from outside world, from the environment, everything na contributors of stress. Although, nakaka-stress din minsan maglaro, pero yung stress na yun is, maybe it helps me to become more on a better gamer. O, kasi hindi naman araw-araw Pasko, hindi araw-araw panalo yung game mo. But, during those times na if you have to experience bad things, you will learn. Not only in the games, but also the attitude that you're going to gain on those bad experiences. What are you going to do next time? You will be able to know.
Enemy spotted A. Spike down A. One enemy remaining.
last enemy taken out.
Some of the aspiring streamers that do wants to start, I experienced before during my live stream, hindi ako ganun kasikat, hindi rin ganun kataas yung views ko. Pero talaga may mga dumadaan na nagtatanong. They are asking me, is it okay if I want to try to stream even if I have less than 1K followers, something like that. Then I also tell them that it's okay because all of us started there with 0 followers. Yung kahit yung 2K na yan, hindi ko agad nakuha yan. At saka proud ako dyan kasi yung mga followers ko, hindi ko pinilit yan na, i-follow nyo ako, ganyan. Or yung I have to please them in order for them to follow me. Iba kasi yun, yung pag na i-follow ka lang nila kasi ginagawa mo yung gusto nila, iba yun. My 2K followers, they are loyal to me. Up to now, umabot na sila ng magti 3 years na. Hindi nga lang masyadong nakakandaan yung iba kasi syempre busy sa family, busy sa personal life. Iba naman kasi yung online life natin ngayon. Parang sa trabaho din, what I've experienced because I became a supervisor before, so mas gusto kong nagmo-motivate ng tao. So, syempre, pag may nagtatanong sa akin, hindi ako madamot. As long as alam ko yung sagot sa tanong mo, I will contribute some ideas based on what I know. And for me kasi, experience is the best teacher eh. Kung anong alam ko, na-experience ko na yun. So, ginagawa kong basehan yung experience ko. Ngayon, if I have new learnings, yung mga hindi ko na-experience, I tend to observe So, for aspiring streamers, yung mga gusto mag-start ng streaming, syempre kailangan din nila mag-observe ano ba yung in. Pero, wag din sanang kakalimutan na as a streamer, you should be your own brand na hindi yung nakikigaya ka lang sa uso, yung nakikiuso ka lang, nakikigaya ka lang. Pangit din kasi yung, yes, okay lang yung may idol ka, pero you should also have your own brand. Na pag sinabing, si Lady Yuna, kahit girl gamer yan, yung kasi ang pinaka-brand ko, si Lady Yuna, doon ako kilala ng mga followers ko. Hindi ko lang alam yung iba ha, na kahit girl player ako, kaya kong makipagsabayan sa ibang boy player. Kasi ang mindset ng iba na porke girl player ka, pabuhat ka, ganyan, na pabebe ka lang, alam mo yun, yung the likes, yung laging sinasabi ng mga ibang masyadong competitive maglaro na boys na ayaw nilang natatalo, ayaw nila ng kasama ng babae sa game, kasi nga pabigat. Yun ang tingin ng majority. Hindi ko nila lahat majority. Na yun ang tingin kasi sa amin sa babae. Yun yung brand ko na gusto kong i-spread na awareness na gaming is not just only for boys. It's also open for us girls kasi 'di ba meron din namang mga girl players na nakikilala. Ayun, and so far na may mga nakaka-appreciate naman ng talent ko while I'm playing, while I'm doing my stream. Yun. Mga highlights ganyan na hindi nila ina-expect na kaya ko palang gawin. Yun, even if I'm a girl player. Tan talaga that you have your own brand. That me as Lady Yuna, that's my brand. They do know me. At the same time, you have to be real. Malalaman kasi nila kapag there's something off, yung hindi totoo. Alam mo yon. Mas maganda kasi you should also be transparent to your followers. Na hindi ko naman sinasabing sabihin mo lahat ng personal, ano mo, syempre hindi rin naman pwedeng i-open up mo yung private life mo, di ba? Kasi syempre, they are still strangers, but they are your followers. So, as much as possible, you should be transparent to them and show them your brand, the real you. What makes you, you. Alam mo yun, how to be you, yung ganong kasabihan nila, how to be Lady Yuna, parang ganon. Yun, me, papayo ko lang for aspiring streamers, dapat you have the passion. Kasi ako, kahit wala akong views, basta gusto ko yung nilalaro ko, I tend to focus on that. Tapos yung magugulat na lang ako, idadaan sa stream ko, follow nila ako. Kasi, yun nga pinaka main content ko. I tend to focus on my gameplay. Dati nga lang, hindi ako masyadong nag-aayos. Pero ngayon, dahil sa tinuro sa amin ng Amplify Academy na you also need to look presentable in front of the camera. Kasi paano nga naman sila gaganahan na panoorin ka, diba? Kung hindi ka nakaayos, yung itsura mo ka, yung putyo-putyo, ganun. Hindi naman sa nalalait, pero dapat you should look presentable in front of the camera. Yung mga ganong bagay, hindi to bigla ang sikat ka, hindi. Paghihirapan mo talaga. Ako nga sa stage na to, hindi ko alam kasi yung iba may nakakilala sa akin pero sa ngayon hindi ko ramdam. Wala kasi sa akin yung spotlight eh. Hindi ako nabibigyan ng sponsorship. Although may nag-try dati pero hindi naman ganun kalaki yung sponsorship. Pero napili niya ako, ang daming streamers pero ako yung pinili niya. Yun, na mag-sponsor sa laro, gano'n. Ayun, wala pa sa akin yung spotlight, wala pa ako sa ganung stage, pero in this industry kasi, in live streaming, you should have the passion. Oo, dapat gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, mahal mo yung ginagawa mo pag-i-stream. Kasi, I not to discourage, but yun nga, mararanasan nyo yung parang minsan burnout kayo, ilang stream na wala kayong views, kukunti yung comments, kukunti yung likes, wala man na mag-share, ganyan. Kung sanay ka na sa live stream at the same time yun nga, kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, parang baliwala yun. Parang dapat diretso ka lang talaga, focus ka lang sa goal mo, na if you want to reach a higher on the top, syempre kailangan mo paghirapan yun. And you should not stop. Yun yun ang mahalaga. You should not stop. You should always continue to grow.
Toxins going up. Toxin screen. Poison orb emitting.
Pwede ata dito ha.
Spike down A.
Ako na-inspire maging live streamer. Ayun, yung idol ko nga, si Mama Loja. Idol ko siya eh. I also dream to, not to be like her, but also to somehow do the things that she was able to do. You know, do some cosplays, be on stage, having the spotlight, to be known as one of the female streamers or influencers on online or gaming industry. Ganun. Banggit ko kanina talagang is really my passion to play online games. So, alam yun ng mga followers ko na pag nilaro ko yung isang game, not because nakikiuso ako or gusto kong sumikat dahil sa game na yun. No, hindi. I play my games, my main games. Once I choose a game, it's because I like them. And I tend to put some effort and try also to educate other players who want to try my game, who want to try that game. And also for the newbies, if they don't know how to play that game, I could give some ideas how to play the game. Parang ganun. Para mas mag-grow pa rin yung community ko at the same time ng game na nilalaro ko. Of how am I as an influencer? How was I be able to influence my community? My Lady Yuna gaming community? Siyempre, community ko kasi yung mga followers ko, di ba? Alam nga naman followers ng Brown Streamer. Ayun, tawag dito. Based on my brand, ako kasi part ako ng yung iba nga tawag sa akin OG eh. Pag sinabing OG, all gamer ka ever since yung year 2000 nga, yung golden PC era pa. Iba kasi, there's a big difference being an OG than being a new player in the Gen Z generation. Kasi noon, well, part ng gaming industry is yung trash talkan, ganyan. Dati kasi, hindi ko masasabing may basher, ganun. Pero, bashers and trash talking is two different thing eh. Ayun, kung yung sa era namin noon, nung Gold PC era, normal yung trash talk, pero whatever happens in the game, you keep it in the game. Yung sa Gen Z kasi, pag trinash talk ka talaga, alam mo yung forever ng parang pinapersonal nila, which is hindi dapat. So, yun ang tinuturo ko sa community ko na whatever happens in the game, stays in the game. Then, after nun, move on, shut up, ganun lang yun. At the same time, ako kasi, pag trinash talk ako, manda-trash talk din ako. Alam naman nila yun na hindi ako mauuna kung hindi mo ako, if you're not pissing me off, parang ganon. Tapos, yung ibang, may mga iba kasing players na pag kilalang, streamer ka, alam mo yun nananadya na magto-troll sa game, alam na seryosong nag-grind ka, ganon. There are times pumapatol talaga ako kasi ayun na sinabi ko sa community ko na okay lang naman na we need to reprimand them, but at the same time, don't stoop down on their level kasi naranasan ko rin na magkaroon ng basher. So, ang tinuturo ko sa community ko na learn to stand up for yourself also, na not because you will think what other people will say, ganyan. Mas tapos syempre parang matatakot ka nang sabihin mo ganyan. Pero yun nga, you should also know how to defend yourself against those trash talkers or bad people, toxic players, ganyan. Na walang ibang ginawa kundi sisihing kaos, walang ambag sa gameplay, ganyan. Pag naglalaro, ano yun, ang tawag kasi doon tilted, ganun. Minsan natitilt talaga ako sa mga players na nananadya, yung, ano yun, yung, oo, yung naninisi, sisisihin ako na parang, kasalanan kung ba't natatalo kami, kahit hindi naman, mga ganon. Well, in fact, sila naman talaga yung may kasalanan, ganon. Ayun, tinuturo ko, dapat, we also know how to stand to ourselves, to defend ourselves, without stooping down on their level. Kasi naranasan ko talaga yan. I even did a live stream on that one. Yun, ina-expect siguro ng mga basher na iyak ako, ganyan, which is hindi. Kasi pag mga ganung bagay, dapat you should believe on your own brand, which is I stood up for myself. And alam ko talaga, alam din ng mga followers ko, alam nila yung gali ko eh. Yun, that we should know how to reprimand them if they are doing below the belt, kahit na alam nila, kahit na kilala ka as a streamer. My wife actors, and I really do hope that you have learned something from me, from my brand as Lady Yuna. Iba kasi yung personal kong buhay, iba rin yung image ko as Lady Yuna. Kung sinabing Lady Yuna, gamer ka talaga. Pero pag yung personal life ko, I'm a different person also. So, ayun lang.